healthy and tasty brown rice daliya with just a scan and Wi-Fi-enabled LG scan-to-cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select brown rice daliya from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. In a microwave-safe bowl, take brown rice and water. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, add ghee and almond milk. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start again. After the microwave oven beeps, add nuts, cashews, stevia and raisins. Cover with a microwave-safe lid. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven again and press start. Your healthy and tasty brown rice daliya made with LG scan-to-cook charcoal microwave oven is ready for your feasting.